Good morning. This is day 27 and I just left camp and I'm about, I guess, 11 miles sounds too, well, I'm about 18 kilometers from Erwin, and the only goal is to get there as soon as possible. It was raining last night and it's kind of drizzling now, but no thunderstorms, so that was good. So apparently a salamander is eating another salamander. Oh, poor thing. I thought it was some kind of marine creature. Like a little squirrel.
Oh, okay.
It went into this hole. This one. Ah, maybe they have a nest in there. That's where it went. I just saw the tail. It almost looks like the Smoky Mountains because of the fog. Another rhododendron tunnel. These are so nice. I like them a lot. Especially when it's sunny, it's really nice and shaded down here, or under here. I like the colors. Oh, sorry, okay. So we're getting closer to civilization. I was just able to see the bridge, but now it's obscured by the trees. But it's raining and there was definitely some thunder. So I guess we better get down from here. Can I show you on my YouTube?
Sure.
So I've been hiking with,
Away.
oh my god, I'm a lizard.
Salamander.
Salamander today. Yeah. Actually, it's not the first time I've been hiking with her, but today it's been Salamander and me going to town. Yeah, the rapids and everything. Nice. Yeah. We're back in civilization, yay! And that's Uncle Johnny's hostel. We were actually gonna stay there, but then we heard today that they have some kind of a norovirus problem, so we decided to stay in the town instead, in the Super 8, I guess. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get there. Hello. Okay, so I'm at the hotel now in Erwin, Tennessee. When we came out of the woods, there was this nice local man who was just out for a walk, and we ended up getting a ride with him to town, which was really very kind of him. So just arrived at the hotel, and I guess we're gonna have to find food first and all the other town things. But yeah, it just started raining and thunderstorming, so it's really nice to be in town and safe. So I just took a shower and that felt glorious. Whoever invented the showers, 10 points for you. I love it. I love to feel clean again. Well, the next thing is we'll need some food and we need to do laundry. Yeah, but It's so nice to be clean. Love it.